This is a 2024 Toyota Rav4 Hybrid, and we're going to change the engine air filter right here. On the air filter box, there are two clips that you unlatch right here, and all you do is kind of press on the tab and it should just come off like that. Now, you want to lift up the filter box, the top half of it, and you just kind of slowly move it around. You probably have to pull it back a little bit because it gets hung up on the metal part of the frame, and you just lift it up just enough, and then you'll be able to pull out the air filter element, and you can kind of note where how the orientation is. The black rubber is on the top, and that's the bottom part of the air filter. You see how it's kind of dirty, and even there's a beetle piece right here. The engine air filter we'll be using today is this Fram Extra Guard CA12288 for this Toyota Rav4 Hybrid. As you can see how the new filter looks like. Now you got to come over here to the air box and reverse the steps that you were doing earlier. And you got to put it down there and make sure it sits in well with the rubber piece on the top. And then you try to slide it back in there with the top half of the box, trying to sit it on there correctly, kind of wiggle it around, make sure it fits in there all right. And you can kind of see how you got to move it around just to make sure it's securely closed. And you got to make sure there's these two tabs right here that you need to clip in or slide in, however you want to think of it. It's right there. There's one there and there's another one right there. The last step is to make sure these clips are locked back onto the air box. You kind of snap it back in, and then the second one right here, and you just pull on it and it locks in place and you're done.